Bum, ba-da-bum, bum, bum, ba-da-bum, bum, bum, ba-da-bum, bum, bum, bum. What's going on, guys? I always start every video out with the same intro. If you watch any of my videos, you're gonna know pretty much exactly what I'm gonna say every single time I start the video out, because it's just that good. What's going on, guys? So today, what is it? It's Wednesday? No, wait, it's Monday. Holy crap! Whoa, Wednesday. No, it's Monday. What's going on? So basically, I'm bored, and I thought, we've been having these just big, drastic, crazy moves in the market recently. So I was like, screw it. I'm gonna take some of that action here after market, and I'm gonna make it this time, Steven. I'm gonna go all the way. 24-hour live stream starting right now. We gotta put the timer up. Let me find the timer again, because that way, let's do it. How do I get to the timer? I need to find a timer here. Timer? I need a timer. Internet timer. Tickercounter.com. Ticker count. Ooh, yeah, nice. 24 hours. 0. Set timer. Start. Wait. Yeah, there we go. 23 hours, 59 seconds to go. I'm not sure. I'm 100%. I don't really know if I'm going to make it 24 hours, but it's always fun. It's always fun, at least, to think about maybe going. If we just have an amazing night in the market, and it's just nothing but profit, who knows? Maybe I'll just keep going for the rest of the world. Tonight, we're going to be trading the Micro E Minis. We've got about, 20 minutes? 20 minutes till the futures market reopens. So we're just kind of hanging out. If you guys have any questions, I'm going to pop open this beer right here. Seltzer water. The great thing about seltzer water is it's got alcohol in it. It's got 0 sugar. It's gluten-free. It's just got all types of goodness for you. I don't know what the problem with these seltzer waters. I can't figure out what's bad about them. Is it like if I'm drinking one seltzer water, does that count as a water as well? Like if I'm drinking a beer and I'm drinking the water, you know what I mean? Like, I need to figure these things out. Here we go. Today the market really just gotta love it. Just gotta love this type of action. This morning, what was it? 3 in the morning, we went from the 942 area all the way down there to 890. And then market opened. We kind of went sideways for a little bit, and then we finally rallied. But it was just pretty much no pullback. Really, no pullback. Am I the guy who went on Ticker Talker? I'm the guy. What's up? I'm the guy. Here I am. Hello. Well, I know the bad part's the alcohol, but how many seltzer waters can I drink before I die? That's what I want to know, That's what I want to know. How many seltzer waters can I drink before I die? Do I get alcohol poisoning, or do I just die first? That's the question. 69. That's a weird number. Let's make some money. Money. Oh, man. What else? What have you guys been doing? What's the world like today? I haven't been outside in months. I've been sitting in my house and then going on the boat. So I haven't been in the real world, but I've been on the boat. Been on the boat doing a lot of boat stuff. The boat's been good. I'm thinking about I'm trying to go to Bali in August. Been looking to book a really badass place in Bali for like a month. I think that'd be really fun. You guys hear the big news? You guys hear the big news today? Big news today. I don't know if you guys heard the big news, but we actually, what was it? Bitcoin halving. It happened. The 3rd time ever. It's going to happen, what, 1 more time or 2 more times? How many times? I think it happens 1 more time, right? Until it runs out, basically. It's like it halves 1 more time, and then finally they'll mine all the Bitcoins. Wait, there's no more halvings? Forever? I thought there was 1 more. I thought there was 4 total. I don't know. I thought it was. Is there 1 more? Maybe there's not. Maybe I have no idea what I'm talking about. Video games and trading. They are nice. Balanced. Nope. No. A few more halvings. Everybody's got another idea here. Like, no, it's this, it's that. But hey, okay. What do you guys been doing? What's the world like where you live at? We got about 15 minutes here until the market reopens, but let's talk about what the world's been like recently for you guys. Where you guys been at? What have you been doing? What's the world like here in South Florida? It's pretty much been all normal for me. I just make videos on the YouTube and trade, and then I go on the boat and go fishing. It's pretty much been the same exact same exact world that I've always lived in. So New Jersey, been doing some fishing. Illinois, been shit, bro. Nevada, New York City. Oh man, I love New York City, but it would be rough to be stuck in New York City. You know, no toilet paper anywhere, but Taco Bell is open. Hey, that could lead to some danger right there. Taco Bell being open, no toilet paper, if you know what I mean. That could get really dangerous really quick. Okay. Every 4 years, a halving until 2140. Wow. 2140? I'm not even going to be alive in 2140. No, it's not 2140. Are you sure? No way. So you're telling me that by the time I'm dead, Bitcoin still they haven't even mined all the Bitcoin yet? Well, that ruins my plan of becoming a Bitcoin millionaire. I thought I'd be at least a Bitcoin millionaire by the time I was like 80 years old, but now I found out that it's going to be a lot longer than that. They're never going to mine all 21 million Bitcoin? Really? Damn it. We got to get this stuff out of the ground. We got to mine that Bitcoin. The more we can mine, the more money we can make. Let's go. Let's go mining. Halving will stop it. Give up on trading, please. Oh, man. All I have is the cheap toilet paper. Oh, man, I got some toilet paper the other day, actually. It was funny because when my ex moved out, she stole my toilet paper. Talk about a bunch of bullshit. Legitimately took my toilet paper. Thoughts on Disney $110 calls? That's a good guess. At this point, I think the market's just going to go back all the way. It's just going to go to all-time highs and just never going to ever pull back again. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, I've pretty much just given up on the idea of the market ever crashing again. It's just, nothing makes sense anymore. And even today, the Fed Chair Powell was like, guys, I got no problem getting more money. He literally said that. He's like, the interest rates are so low, why would we not just get more money? You know, just borrow more money. Just borrow more money from the Fed, you know? Let's go. By the end of the year, they already predicted that the market's going to be back above all-time highs by the end of the year, and the world's just going to be back to normal. Whoop-de-whoop-de-doo, you know? Where do I fish? I fish off of Fort Lauderdale, Miami area. Depends where the fish are, I guess. Bahamas. Key Largo. We got about 14 minutes here. 14 minutes till the market opens. Get ready for a taxation without any representation. Doing a little nighttime live stream here, drinking some beers, doing some trading, talking about life with the boys. Let's go. Right now, live on YouTube. Let's go. That was from my Instagram. I got to get the Instagram out there, let the world know. Everyone needs to know I'm out here doing my thing. Could you explain taxes on futures? That's a good question. Honestly, I have not done a ton of research on the taxes on futures. I wish I probably should. I haven't really made that much money yet to really worry about it yet. My accountant, he'll figure it out later on. But I'm pretty sure that the taxes on futures are very cut and dry in terms of the money that you make. Damn. Clemson rod. Okay, okay. Okay, boys.
Trading, talking about life with the boys. Let's go. Right now, live on YouTube. Let's go. Full nighttime live stream here, drinking some beers, doing some trading, talking about life.
Sorry, it's the Instagram. It's the Instagram.
Right now, live on YouTube. Let's go. Doing a little nighttime live stream here, drinking some beers, doing some trading, talking about life with the boys.
All right, here we go. You think the SPY is going to hit 295 by the end of the day? I would say there's a really good chance that the SPY will hit 295. It's at what, 294 now, 293? I mean, definitely. Is trading your full-time job? Nope. I don't have a job. Yeah, no wash sales is the biggest thing with futures, which is nice. But if you're a market-to-market trader in equities, it's the same thing. Hello, I'm a new day trader. I've been looking for a new broker, a good broker, but still haven't found one. Are you trading futures? Are you trading equities? What are you trading there, Chris? What do you got? What do you got going on over there? What are you trading? Looks like we might gap down a little bit here. Open up at the 904 area. Is that what we're looking like right now? Like down here? Did something happen? And what's the SPY at right now? Is the world ending? We're gapping down. If you don't have a job, how do you afford a huge boat? I got the YouTube, man. YouTube money. It's good money. And I also make money from trading. Trading and cryptocurrency and stuff like that and all that fun stuff. You're in Forex and in the S&P 500, so I'm thinking you're trading futures, maybe. What do I think about Sierra charts? I've never used Sierra charts. Hard to say. Hey. Why am I not wearing PC glasses? My eyes are red. It's because of my it's because of the sun. Show your channel growth, Patty. What? Just look at, I have videos about my channel growth on the thing. Hey, this guy said he wants to start his trading career. Please help beginner. Start small, baby. Small winners, small losers. Keep it like that. What kind of boat do I have? I have a 1990 Mako that I rebuilt. It's nothing fancy. Kurt's really annoying. Wait, I didn't mean, I should have said big winners, small losers. Hey, yeah, thanks for that. That was fun. That video that I filmed with Victor. We had a good, we had a lot of action that day, and we only we fished middle of the day. Yeah, we were done by the end of the day. What are you going to buy tomorrow? I'm gonna buy futures. Do I like Latinas? Like Latina women? Oh yeah, baby. I always catch fish. Literally every single time I go fishing, I catch fish, you know? What's up? What's up? We go hard. I took this girl fishing the other day on Saturday. I took her fishing. Girl never caught a mahi before. How many mahi she catch? She caught 6 mahi. 6! Come on! Get on my level. Oh, so funny. Favorite place to fish? Just right out front, right off of Dania. Right, what about a 30 minutes from my house, just go. How did MGMX break the high of year if the first day had a lot more volume? Is that normal because of earnings? It's really hard to see. I'd have to look at the thing. Fishing, is that a trade? It is a trade. It's a trade between time and money and all that. What stock do you recommend to buy? I don't know. I don't have any answers. Order flow analysis. Nope. I trade purely off of candlesticks, off of price action. You see the news on Nikola you mentioned a couple months ago. I saw the news that they're going to be merging soon, right? Like this month? What's my plan of action for this chart? Right now, don't really have any plan. All I'm going to do tonight with this, with the futures is whatever the trend is, I'm just going to like buy. I'm going to buy the dip or sell the dip or sell the pop or whatever. I'm just following the trend. I'm not guessing. I'm not trying to predict the future, because what we've been seeing recently after hours with futures and stuff is just like the market just moves. It's going to go whichever way it's going to go. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to literally sit back here tonight and wait until it's just like, okay, well, clearly this is which way the market wants to go. So that's my entire plan tonight. Oh. I want to ride some of this. Look at like this move here this morning from 3 a.m. At 3 a.m., we went from 942, and then down there at 8:30, we were at 890. I mean, there's some just beautiful. I mean, look at that. It's literally just dinged straight down. There wasn't even it never even popped. Like, it literally just went straight down. Like, this is the type of action that I want to be trading, where it's just literally just rink. We got about 5 minutes here till the market reopens here tonight. I gotta think about what I'm gonna do for dinner tonight, I guess. What should I order? What is the ticker for this future? It's MES /MES forward MES. I'm going to be a rich man at the end of this stream. Don't put the pressure on me now. Don't put the pressure on me. 23 hours and 43 minutes to go. Let's go. Are you tracking only high volume stocks? No, all we're doing tonight, we're not talking about stocks. We're not trading stocks. We are purely trading the micro ES. Peace. What do I think about you guys? I don't think about. Yes. I don't think about. Here, you can see this. See rhythmic connected. Rhythmic connected. It's a live account. Let's go. How many contracts? We'll be trading with maybe 6 contracts, maybe 3 contracts. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll just see the overall flow here. We're going to have our stop loss with a bracket order, profit target, and all that kind of already laid out here. Why not the ES? Problem with the ES is right now the CME raised the margin requirement for the ES. So it's $3,300 per contract. So for me to trade the ES currently, I can only really trade 1 to 2 contracts maximum. So it doesn't really allow me to scale in or scale out a lot of times. So that's one thing that I've been working on with like the micro ES is I'm able to buy, 6 contracts and able to scale in, scale out, things like that. So That's the biggest issue right now with the ES versus the micros. For most of my trades, I'm looking at minimum 6 handles in profit, and then 10 handles, on the on the target, upside target. Kind of take a little bit of profit along the way, and then playing with like a 3 handle, 4 handle stop. What do I think about DFS stock? Not sure, my friend. Not sure. I haven't looked at it. I barely look at stocks anymore. Like I mostly focus purely on the S&P 500. I'll be trading 6 contracts. 6 contracts tonight. We're getting ready to open here in about a minute. We got about a minute till the market, till futures reopens here. Do you see more upside from here for the S&P? We're going to know pretty quickly. I paid 20 cents. 20 cents per contract. Yeah, I think the market's just going to go back to all-time highs at this point. I've just given up the idea of being a bear. Like, it doesn't matter that the whole entire world is like shut down and the world's ending. Like, it just doesn't even matter anymore. The market's going to go back to all-time highs, and it's just like one big joke. So I've given up. There's no point in having any type of logic anymore. It's like there literally is just no more logic to it. So it's like, why even try to rationalize it, The printer never ends. Today, Jay Powell was like, "Oh, don't worry, guys. I can keep buying. I'll keep buying for forever, basically. I got no problem with buying more or borrowing more, Here we go. Reopening at that 9:20 area, kind of bouncing around. We're going to give it a little bit of time here. Market just reopened here at 6 p.m. Eastern. Looking for a pullback here. If we get below that 9:17 area, might get a little pullback. Or if we hold this 9:20, kind of looking on the 15-minute chart for a nice big green candle. Let me see a big old green candle here on the 15-minute chart. So we're pushing up there. I just feel like I kind of want to just trade on the 15-minute chart tonight. Like, this is literally what I'm going to I'm just going to go literally trade on the 15-minute chart. So you guys can see exactly what I'm looking at. Bring back the guy with the 10 and 50 screens in a room. Maybe we'll bring that back at some point. No worry. No worries. I make videos because it's fun. Cheers. I've got like 2 12-packs. I got 2 12-packs of these seltzered waters. So, I mean, I can keep drinking until I basically just pass out here on the live stream. I think that's my goal tonight. We'll drink 1 beer every 30 minutes. My trading should be on point. By the end of this live stream, my trading is going to be on point. Favorite candlestick pattern. You gotta love, a good just engulfing candle. Either a bearish engulfing or a bullish engulfing. You can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with one of those. How do people lose or owe their brokers millions trading futures? They get blown up, their account, I guess, and I don't know. Maybe the market gaps down overnight. They hold it overnight and the market gaps down or something over the weekend maybe. Like over the weekend could be bad if you held positions from like Friday and then Sunday night the world ended and the market crashed really big. You could end up losing a lot of money. You got to remember, futures are highly leveraged. I'm basically spending $50 per contract. I mean, which is nothing to the actual value. Guess what ad I just got on your video? I don't know. There's just so many good ads. Where can I buy puts the stream ends before 24 hours is up? I'll take those bets. I'm selling puts that I'm gonna sell them at a really high premium because I know there's a pretty good chance this live stream probably closes before 24 hours. Yeah, so you can go in and out of trades. I could make like 100 trades right now just by pressing a button in and out a million times if I wanted to. Bum bum. This is hard looking at just the 15-minute chart. I don't think I've like really. Let me look at a 5-minute chart and see what we got going on. All right, so we opened. So we're still in the first 5 minutes. So that 15-minute chart looks just like the 5-minute chart. Good job, Patrick. Yeah, I'm kind of just waiting to see what happens. I want to see a big green candle, this first 15-minute candle. I like to see that if this is going to get bullish, maybe just have this green candle just go up here and kind of just really show that the bulls are here to party. The bulls are here to party. So what did you do here? Buying calls or puts? No calls or puts. I'm trading futures, trading contracts on the futures, future contracts, not options. Well, what's up, Buddy Reefer? Buddy Reefer in the house. What's good? Hey, no worries. I'm just here to help, people. Just here to help. Oh gosh. All right, getting a little push up there now. 922 area. That's what we're looking for, right? 922. Let's see if it's gonna. Why can't I get a thing to come up? Like, will you open up here? Like, come over here now? Like, what the hell? What determines whether a stock goes up or down? Supply and demand, baby. Supply and demand. Bitcoin at $8,607. Okay. Bitcoin. It's getting hard to type. Here. 2,924.50. The high of these candles. You can see that resistance here at that 24 area on these two candles. Bang, bang, bang. So this is definitely resistance there. You can see I had this big pullback. It ended up kind of almost forming a hammer there, but then just got hammered. It actually got hammered on the next candle, and then bang, bang, down. So I think this was right at market close, and then we kind of sold off, and then we bounced back, and then sold off again. So now just kind of looking to see which way this market wants to go. No point in me really trying to predict it. More so just looking to see this kind of push up there above that 24 area and then look for a area to buy at that point. You can see now on the 5-minute chart a little bit better. We got this push from the 919 area now up there to 223, looking to get through this resistance there at the 24 area. What's your best advice for a new trader trying to learn? You just got to start. You got to start trading. You got to start looking at the market. You got to be thinking about the market. You got to be living and breathing the market, baby. Is it a bounce or a pullback? Well, bounce, pullback. I'm not sure. Bum chicky bum 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 chicky bum bum. Maybe a little push up there again. 923 now, pushing up there still. Looking for that 24 area to get pushed through there. The goal, right? That's the goal. That's the goal. Let's go. You can see there now up there at 24. So let's see if we can get pushed through that resistance and then look for our little pullback and see if the market's going to just keep trucking like yesterday. Look at this thing yesterday from 919 up there to 946 there last night. So looking to see if the Fed's still printing. Are they still printing tonight? Call J Powell. Somebody call J Powell real quick. Let me know. Let me know. Are they printing over there tonight or what's going on? What's going on over there? Do I go in with the market or limit? Normally I will buy on the bid or the sell on the bid using these little hot buttons up here on the right. If you can see those. I think you guys can see them. Those little buttons over here. No, I don't rarely. Yeah, I don't. I guess it doesn't really matter. I could probably just mark it in. I feel like most of the time with futures. It's breaking out. Let's go. I'm breaking out. This YouTube's breaking out. We're going to the moon, boys. We're going to the moon. All right, all right. Currently, I'm using Optimus Flow. Optimus Flow with OptimusFutures.com. Check them out. Let me know what you think. Wow. The little subscribe button is right over my face. That's not good. Look at that thing. It's like literally right over my face. It's been over my face the whole time. Does it only look like that when my face is like there? I don't know why my nose is so... I don't know where to put my head at. I'm going to put my head over here. Kind of like... Ooh. What about over here? Is this weird if having it up there? Is that weird? It's all right. We'll try that maybe. Top left. Nice. Is that... But now, is that behind the live thing? Like, I'm so confused. What's happening right now? I haven't actually done a live stream in a while. Looking for that push over at 924. Let's see if we're going to get it. Let's see if we're going to get it tonight. The goal is to get that push over 924 and then look to buy the little bit of a pullback. We need a little bit of a pullback here. Just a wee bit. Just a wee bit. A little wee bit. Wee bit of a pullback. Back to the bottom. Are we going back to the bottom with the thing again? Like down here? I don't even know. What about like right there? Is that good? I don't know. Maybe like here? Just don't know like where is a good place to put it. Can't figure it out. Maybe up here? Like there? No. Here? Here. Down? Here? I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. Happy birthday. Whose birthday is it? Oh. Happy birthday, Bernie Gers. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All right, it's going to be my birthday if we can break through this 924 area. Let's see if we're going to get this push through here. You can see that big old, this is what we're looking for, that 15-minute candle looking to squeeze on up there. Show me that the bulls are in control, that the printer ain't ever stopping. Show me that the printer ain't ever stopping, if you know what I mean. Let's go. J Powell in the house, baby. Come on. Daddy needs to make some money. Am I trading at night? Yeah, baby. We're trading right now. We're live. This market is popping off. It's time to go to the... Oh, my gosh. Just saw some cute girl on a dating app. That was cool. Okay. What are we trading? We're trading the micro E-minis. This is futures. We're trading the futures micro E-minis. Looking for a push over 924. We got about 1 minute left on this first 15-minute candle. If we can't push above that 924 here, I might look for a little short opportunity here if this thing kind of gets stuck in this area. Let's see if it'll want to push through there. If it wants to push through here. Got about 1:34 on that 15-minute candle. 1:34 left here on this 15-minute candle. Looking like this thing wants to turn down from here. Only got one candle going, so. My phone's blowing up. Everyone's texting me right now. They're like, "Hey, you're on a live stream right now?" No, I'm entertaining the people of YouTube. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me, people. A short would provide a good R&R. Hey, that's what it's all about, baby. R&R, risk to reward ratio. There we go. 20 seconds left here. Risk to reward. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Hey. Man, this thing's like just flirting with that 24 area right now. Just flirting with it. You can see we got stuck there. Let's see where this little candle goes. I like to see this candle kind of pull back a little bit from here. We're going to get stuck right there at 923.75. Am I trading tulip futures? Yes. Tulips. Tulips. Man, it's so crazy. It's literally crazy, like how slow. Oh, ooh, look at that little breakout there. Good thing we didn't short it just yet. You can see this 15-minute candle. This is what you got to be careful with, especially after hours like this. When you get like this kind of move, like this candle literally opened right where this candle closed at, and you can see there was no pullback. It was just kind of set there for a minute, and now look at that push up there, 925. So, okay, it ain't time for the pullback yet, baby. So we'll see if we get a little bit of a pullback here, kind of back to that 923 area, maybe even 923 area be kind of our entry on this. Ooh. Already going from 919 now up there to 924, and this thing is just got no gas. We just melting up. I know. I want to jump in, but I'm also like I want a little bit of a pullback here. Just give me something. You know, give me like a little bit of a discount on this. I'll take even 924. This area like 924, 923 here. Tiny pullback. Just a little tiny pullback. Oh man. Going places. You're short. Uh-oh. Who's going to win the battle here? The Bears, the Bulls. Still looking for a little bit of a pullback here. Not getting it. There's no pullback coming. Come on, there's got to be some type of pullback. Like, you don't think there's going to be a little bit of pullback? Oh man, just want like a little bit. I know what you mean. I know what you mean here. I'm just. We got 25.50 now. 26 is coming up. Oh man. No pullbacks. Never. Only moon. Hey, New Zealand, what's up? I'm gonna put an order here. Just want to put one contract out there. See if it'll just get a little bit of a dip here. At 925.25 here. What up? What up? What up? Still looking for that pullback here. Just no pullbacks. I think it's a test, Patrick. Currently trading on Optimus Flow. I'm going to grab some at 926. Just a small position here. I can always add if we pull back more. Look for that push. Does a 2-minute strategy work? Maybe. Ugh. I've never used Renko. We got one contract currently. Look at that. Just right to 27. Wow. Wow. Literally just right to it. Right to the moon here. Should get like Buddy's saying, looking for that 930 area. Should be our next resistance here. Looking for a pop up there, the 930s. The Fed, man, they're just printing that money nonstop over there. Oh, I thought we were going to get a little bit of a... We just have not got a pullback. GoPro is a dud. Yep. I can say that again. 927.75 high so far. Looking for 928s to push through here. Dun 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 dun. See if I can get some more here at 926.50. Literally, come on. I got one. Okay, there we go. Got 3 contracts currently. 3 contracts. Looking for a push up there to the 930s. Oh, we're trading the MES futures. MES. Huh. I don't know, but my computer always sounds like it's going to explode whenever I do a live stream. Like it literally is like making all types of noises over there. I think this is a short, Patrick. Hey, we'll find out. Stocks only go up though, you know? Right? Stocks only go up. Might be a little consolidation here at the 926 area for a second. Well, hey, everybody who thinks it's a short should just, you know, just take your negativity somewhere else. Hey. My risk is calculated, baby. It's hot. It's hot. It's so hot in here, so take off all your clothes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going to move my stop up on this to like the 25s. So really, really tight stop on this. I don't know why. Whenever I live stream, I get tired. Like I literally just feel like I'm tired. Like I just want to sleep. I just want to. I'm over here just trying to sleep. I need to like. I should probably. Wait. Where's the volume of this thing? How do I work out when to exit? Basically, it's looking for previous resistance areas. So we're looking at 930 area being a resistance. So we're looking for a push up to that 930 area as a resistance. A little pullback here. Might get stopped out on this pullback here. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm going to move this stop down just a little bit. I feel like it's like a little too tight. A little too tight there. And I'll probably add some more in this area here. Are you going to enter long again if you get stopped out? Nope. What? Huh? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? I'm boring. Talking to myself. All right, so we got 5 contracts now on the MES. Looking for this to push through this 926 area. You can see that 15-minute candle there. Getting a little bit of a wick on it on the top side, Watching, look at that 5. Oh, yeah, I got my stop. Don't you worry, buddies. Don't you worry, buddies. Getting a lot of selling pressure popping up here. But still the buyers are popping up there as well at the 925 area right now. On average, how long do you hold positions? Really just depends, to be honest. Market's slow right now, so we're going to be holding a lot longer than we normally do. Using Optimus Flow. Looking to see if we can get a bounce here off the 25s. Put your hand. Normally during the during the market hours, I normally trade on the tick chart, but I feel like after hours, I normally end up trading on like a minute chart. Push through this 26s. Let's go. Using Optimus Flow, OptimusFutures.com as my broker. I'm going to just put that on repeat here. I'm going to put my stop literally right there, 24.50. So, I mean, we're risking less than two points or 2 handles. Futures trades 24 hours a day, naughty bones. Basically 24 hours a day. Looking to see if we can push through here that 928 previous resistance here. You can see this 15-minute candle. Look at these 15-minute candles. Look how they're working out right now. It's literally just the bottom of each of these candles is touching the top of those closes each time, pushing up there. So let's go. Let's go, baby. Looking for that push above 928 here. Got 5 contracts there at the 926 area. Is it really live? I think so. Hello. It's me. I'm here. I'm alive. Yeah, Robinhood's a joke in general. Looking for a push here. Over 928. We get over 928. We're going. We're going up, boys. We're going up on a Tuesday or on a Monday. Do you prefer to trade at certain times of the day? Normally, I try to trade in the morning. Normally, when the market opens, a little bit of more volatility there. So that's what I do. Yeah, Weeble sends me an email like every five minutes trying to get me to promote them. And now I just gave them free promotion because I just said their name on my live stream. That was a terrible idea. They won. They ended up winning. Come on, over 928 here. Let's go. Gonna need another beer here pretty soon. I'm out. Already empty. Only been live for an hour. 23 hours to go. Let's see if I can do it tonight. I don't know. I don't know why. It's not that I actually wanted to do a 24-hour live stream. It was literally just because it was like saved and I thought I just put it up there. So sorry. Shoot me now. Shoot me. Whatever. I'm using Optimus Flow to trade as my platform. Let's go. We got to prove everybody wrong. Everybody who said that it was a short, let's prove them wrong. Come on, J-Pal. Let's prove them wrong. Just kidding. Hey, it looked like a short too. It definitely looked like a short, but I just have this theory now that stocks only go up. Just taking her time here. As long as we can basically... So that 925 area, you can see the support was the close on this candle. We were closed there at the 925 area. This candle pulled back. The bottom, the low of that candle was 924.75. So that's basically right where my stop is here either way. So we'll sit there at the 924.50 area. It's a great risk to reward. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, then we take a little loss. That's how she goes. That's how it goes, my friends. You got to risk the biscuit to get the biscuit sometimes. Triple top target. Yeah, that's my plan here. Triple top. 930 area. We like to see that get hit. I think if we hit 930, if this thing goes 930, I'm just going to hold like all night long. I don't even care because I'm just going to be like, I'm just looking for one of these moves where we just get like a 50-60 handle move. I don't even care anymore, Let's just go. Let's just go to the moon. Make another beer. Hold on. BRB. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. It's just so refreshing. It's just so refreshing. No, 928's about to bust here. Let's go. Let's go. Like I said, as long as these candles just keep holding the tops here, we're good to go. Ooh. It is currently 6:37 p.m. Eastern. Bitcoin's going to $1 million here at some point. I don't know what date. I don't know what time. I don't know what place. I'm gonna go ahead and say it now. Say it. I want to be on record. Bitcoin's gonna be $1 million one day. I'm putting it out there. Literally. I don't know if it'll ever happen in my time, like when I'm alive, but at some point in history, Bitcoin will hit $1 million. I'm just telling you now. 100%. 100%. Literally, I'm just 100%. I'm telling you. No lie. Bitcoin's going to $1 million. It might take like 50 years, but it's going to hit there. Exactly. Joshua. Inflation, people. When the US dollar bill is worthless, Bitcoin will be worth $1 million. You just cannot keep printing and printing and printing and printing and printing money forever. You just can't do it. There has to be a point where you run out, you run out of money. And gold's old. I don't think, gold's not sexy anymore. Gold's cool, but people don't like, I just feel like the younger generation, Bitcoin is the cool thing, everybody wants to be hip, Gold's too old. Old school. The good thing about Jay Powell is not going to live forever, He won't be able to print forever. There's going to come a point where the guy is going to finally, move on, Look at this thing. It's just popping. We got 5 minutes still left in this 15-minute candle here. It just keeps bouncing up there. Secret government sauce. Hey, cracking you up. That's what I'm all about. I'm here for the cracks in the ups. I think I'm probably gonna pass out. I think I'm literally gonna pass out tonight. No lie. I'm serious. I'm gonna drink as many of these seltzer waters as humanly possible until the point where I just pass out on the live stream. It's gonna be great. Gold is old. It's true. Honestly, gold is old. It's just not, gold isn't cool anymore. Young people don't want to go out and buy gold and have to worry about holding it. I guess, it's not any better holding Bitcoin, but in general, it's just not as cool anymore. People just don't care about gold. It's shiny. I got some gold. I got gold and silver. Don't get me wrong. I got gold. I got silver. But at the same time, gold as an investment, it's just an old idea, Really what it comes down to. This 15-minute candle still holding there above that 925. That's what we want to see. We can keep holding there. The longer we consolidate, the better, really, at this point. Exactly. But let's be honest, everybody has a smartphone, right? Everybody has a smartphone. Everybody can hold their own gold, hold their own Bitcoin on their smartphone. But people don't want to have to walk around holding gold. Yeah, and when's the last time? People are always yeah. I always love the argument. People are well, where can you even spend Bitcoin at? Where, who even accepts Bitcoin? When's the last time you went somewhere and somebody was hey, do you want to pay in gold today? No, never. That never happens. I've never been anywhere and seen a symbol on the wall that was we accept gold. Yeah, it just does not happen unless you're at a pawn shop. But in general, if you go to a KFC, you go to a Winn-Dixie, you're not going to see a sign that says we accept gold. But there is a chance that you might see a sign that we accept Bitcoin, which I have seen that. I've gone places all over the world and I've seen signs we accept Bitcoin. So the argument that you can't spend Bitcoin, the argument that with that whole argument, it's just a terrible argument. especially nowadays. They have credit cards that are attached to Bitcoin, so you can basically spend any currency anywhere in the world that's attached to Bitcoin. Like you can literally just swipe your credit card and it automatically transfers the funds to that merchant. Like it's not as like, I feel like most of these people that have arguments about Bitcoin are just like, they just have no actual like not experience, but like they just don't know. They don't know anything about Bitcoin. It's the funniest thing. Yeah, I mean they have so many places now that accept Bitcoin. Amsterdam accepts Bitcoin for marijuana. Sounds fun. And also think about it like this, like the thing with Bitcoin too is the thing with Bitcoin, like the big thing is it can be used anywhere in the world, and it's also like it's more limited. Oh man, it's more limited than gold. Like they're still mining gold every day. They're pulling gold out of the ground every day. So, you know, gold, like there's not like a finite. There's not like a what is it? Infinite. There's not a finite. There's not a finite amount of gold in the world. You know, they're just gonna keep printing gold. All right, we got stopped out there for a $40 loss now, so we're gonna look for a short opportunity here. And this thing is just moving so slow. Look at this. It's probably gonna, you know what's gonna happen? It's gonna stop me out. I'm gonna get short, and then it's gonna stop me out to the upside. It's just like story of my life sometimes is the market. I moved houses. I got a new house. Well, I got the same house that I had before, right? All right, so I'm gonna try to get some shorts here going, and just kind of see if this momentum wants to play in. This doesn't seem like we want to move up now. You can see the big wicks on these 15-minute candles on the upside of these candles, these wicks showing the selling pressure there. So we're going to see if we can switch short here and get a little pullback. Looking for maybe, 919 area next, and then after that, maybe down here in the 900s. I mean, it's a double top on the 5-minute chart here as well. All right, so we're getting a little bit of pullback here. Kevin, did you see my broker statement for last month? That's a problem with people on YouTube. Everybody just wants to talk, but nobody wants to actually do the walk. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at the volume coming in there now, boys. Look at the volume. She's coming in there. Kevin, you can suck my... I'm not going to say it because I don't want to get demonetized. Look at that. All the way down there at 919 now. That's why we use stop losses, my friends. That's why we use stop losses. You know what I mean? It's called a stop loss for a reason. All right, if we're looking for maybe a little pop back up here a little bit, give me a little pop back up. Get some more shorts going here. Nah, you can't. No partial profit tonight. I didn't start this live stream to make $40, to make $50. Come on now. We need thousands of dollars tonight. The only way that I'm doing this thing is I'm making thousands or I'm losing thousands. We making big bets, big wins, big everything. Yes, bro. ES. No, MES. Stop profit. There you go. Stop your profit. Looking for a break below this 919 area. I never set a goal. Never set a goal. Don't ever set a goal when you're trading. Don't do that. It's terrible. I'm telling you right now. I've been trading long enough to know one thing. Setting a goal is the worst thing to do. Looking for a break below 919 here. It's not a White Claw. It's a Bon Viv. It's all natural. Zero sugar. It's healthy. You know the problem? Here, I'll tell you the issue right here. I'm going to tell you the issue with setting goals. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is what I've done this. I do this all the time where I'm like, okay, we have like a really good, the market's moving. It's awesome. It's so many great trades. I make $1,000. I make $500. And I'm like, well, cool. I made $500. Sweet. I'm out of here. And I end up just quitting for the day because I'm like, I made $500, right? I think to myself, I made $500. That's awesome. So I end up quitting and I walk away when the market's hot, right? Like when I've made $500 really easily, I walk away. And then the next day I come back and I'm trading and I'm like, damn it, like it's hard. Like I'm not making money today and I end up trading longer. I end up trading all day and I'm like battling and I'm just like, by the end of the day, maybe I'm break even, maybe I'm down, maybe I'm red, but it's like in general, it's the worst thing you could do by setting a target, like a goal. You just your goal should be to play the market. Whatever the market gives you is to play it and capitalize. So when the market's hot and it's giving you a lot of opportunities and all that stuff, when the market's hot and it's giving you opportunities, you better be able to ride the waves, baby. Come on. Let's go. There we go. Speaking truths around here. Truths. Also, so many truths. Looking for this 919. Let's see. 919. Where are we going here? Touching there twice now. I'm going to take one contract off there at 919.25. That's almost putting us back on green on the day. So. Some of the best traders, they're like, there's an old saying that like the best traders in the world, you don't know if they're having a bad day or if they're having a good day. For me, I've never claimed to be the best trader in the world. I know that I'm emotional. I know that I battle FOMO. I know that I revenge trade. I've always said that. I've never not said that. I've never claimed to not do that. So when people are always like, "You're so emotional," I'm like, "Well, no shit. I know that. That's why I make YouTube videos instead of trying to become a millionaire day trader because I'm too emotional to be a millionaire day trader. I'm better off being a YouTuber where emotion gets you paid. That's the great thing about it." Currently, I'm on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to move my stop on this. Like I said, I'm going to move my stop to here. Like literally like right above these candles. So if it pops back up, at least I'm getting out for, I think, $20 in profit. Oh, there we go. Back. Getting stopped out there. So we still locking in it. We're back in the green. The first trade we lost $40. That trade we got back. We got 50. We made We made $7.50 back. So we're break even right now on the day. So let's see. Let's just be patient here, people. We want to see volatility. We want to see action. We want to see live action. Let's go. Also, if you're really excited and you want to be cool, there's a little button in the chat box where you can show some support. Throw me some dollar bills. Let's go. Make it rain. And you'd be like, well, wait, why do you want money if you're so rich, millionaire day trader? Well, I'm clearly not rich. Clearly, I need money here, people. That's why I'm live on YouTube at 7 o'clock in the afternoon, because I have nothing else to do with my life. Hey, Matt Marks, can I answer your question? No problem. What's your question, my friend? Let's go. Give me your question. Let's rapid fire this, baby. What should I eat for dinner tonight? I might get some Popeyes. You guys like Popeyes? I fucking love... Oh, damn it. I like Popeyes. I cannot... Guys, do not let me curse. No more cursing. No more cursing. If I get in trouble every time I curse on these live streams, I don't know why I do it. I try to not curse, but it always happens. What do you think about my investing club? I'm not even gonna comment on that, because I know exactly what's gonna happen. I'm like half drunk right now, and I'm gonna start talking about that, and it's not gonna end well. So I don't even want to make a comment. Those guys are doing their own thing, and I support whatever they're doing. Not that I support them, but whatever they want to do, let them do it. That's what it's all about. If it's working for them, let them keep doing it. It's totally fine. Hey, $3, make it dance. All right, sorry. Matt, what does it mean that the Bitcoin is halving? So Bitcoin halving, this is how it works. So basically, every transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain has to be verified by the miners. The miners are basically computers that are running algorithms, and they're verifying every single transaction. Each of those blocks, it's called a blockchain. Blocks have the information from all those transactions inside. It's data, inside of a block of information. And now the halving basically is what it's doing is it's cutting the reward for the miners. The miners get paid every time they solve an algorithm, equation, and they get paid in Bitcoin for solving the equation. They're mining the data, basically. They're verifying, and they're saying, hey, this transaction is, verified, et cetera, et cetera. So that's the short end of it, if it makes sense. So basically, what we're doing now is we're going to have less Bitcoin in the world every single day. There's going to be less Bitcoin being, less supply, if that makes sense. There's less Bitcoin coming out of the computer internet world, whatever, because it doesn't come out of the ground. So basically, the idea is that there's going to be less Bitcoin being mined, and supply, demand. You got to think about it. This is what I talked about the other day on Instagram. It was amazing, not an amazing analogy, but an amazing way to put it. The Fed, the Federal Reserve, the Fed, the USA has printed $4 trillion. $4 trillion in US dollars. They printed $4 trillion out of thin air, just magically, just out of nowhere, right? The market cap for the total amount of Bitcoin, the total amount of Bitcoin in the world is only what? $200 million? Do you know how many $200 million there are inside of 4 trillion? What is that, like 20 times? The Fed has printed 20 times the market cap of Bitcoin in only a few months. Like what? 1 month. It's mind-blowing. So really, you got to think about it perspective-wise. So my whole thing with Bitcoin is, listen, if Bitcoin goes to zero, okay, cool. You guys win. Everybody, whatever. I'm an idiot. But if Bitcoin goes to 1 million, the thing is, if Bitcoin goes to $1 million, at least I'm prepared, right? That's the way I look at it. I'm a trader. I'm looking at if I think Bitcoin has potential to maybe one day go to $100,000, $200,000, right? If it has that potential and it gets there, sweet. I made a ton of money. If it goes to zero, I didn't lose a ton of money. I lost money. Maybe I lose a couple $100,000, whatever. If I lose that money, that's fine. But if I make millions, it's all about risk to reward here, my friends. And everybody who's like, Bitcoin's a scam, Bitcoin's going to zero. Yeah, okay, whatever. But if you look at the chart, look at the charts, Bitcoin has been the #1 performing asset for the last 10 years. I mean, it's facts. You know, it really is facts. If you would have bought Bitcoin 10 years ago and you were still holding it today, there is no other asset on this planet, no other thing, nothing. There's nothing on this planet that has increased in value in the last 10 years like Bitcoin. So that's the way it is. Who has the authority to halve Bitcoin? Well, my friend, it's all built into the algorithm. It's all computer. It's all algorithmic. It's all, this crazy algorithmic equation, this math equation that is programmed into Bitcoin. So nobody can print more Bitcoin. Nobody can make more Bitcoin. Nobody can change the rules of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to keep doing exactly what Bitcoin is doing for the next 100 years. If they pay miners of Bitcoin, doesn't that increase supply? Yes, but they're removing that. They're basically making that reward half. So if you're a miner now and let's say you get paid 0.01 Bitcoin every time you solve an equation, well, in the future, now after the halving, they're only going to get 0.005. So they're getting less rewards. So obviously, the value, the idea is less supply, the value goes up, etc. That's why people are so excited about the halving. People are saying put money into Bitcoin now. I mean, I guess that the other day with Bitcoin, if you're investing long term, the #1 thing you should do is wait for a red day. There's no point in buying Bitcoin when it's up 20, 30% in a few days. It just doesn't make sense. So wait for a red day and then look for an opportunity, and then only risk what you're willing to lose. That's the one. If I can give anybody out there any advice about investing in anything, only invest what you're willing to lose. If it's going to make your trade, everything so much better. The same thing with day trading. If you're able to rationalize the idea that, okay, I'm going to enter a trade here, I'm going to risk $50 for the idea to make $300, correct? All right, that makes sense. So if you have that, if you go into the trade with the idea that you're risking a certain amount of money to make a certain amount of money, it makes it much easier to hold that trade. It makes it much easier to also, this is one of the biggest things a lot of people don't think about is, okay, let's say if I short here at 923, where's my stop at? My stop would be what? 928. So I'm risking 5. That's a little bit more than I want to risk. So I really need to see this price go a little bit higher. I need to see, 925 area to get short at 925 and then risk off the 928. That's giving me my 3, I'm risking 3 for 6 to 9 or 10 reward. That's the biggest thing to really focus on when you're thinking about risk to reward is if I'm shorting, where's my stop at? And right here, I can't really short here at the 23s. I just couldn't do it, personally. Because again, it's like the risk to reward isn't that great anyway. Because it's like, okay, I short here at 923. My target, where's my target at on this thing? What, maybe we break through this bounce. This thing's bounced multiple times. This is previous resistance, turning to support there. Yeah, the risk to reward isn't good enough there. Monkey Trader says he is better than you. Well, hey, everyone's better than me. That's what they say. But guess what? I'm still here. Everybody who's doubted me, everyone who's hated me, everyone who said they were better than me, and guess what? I'm still here. I ain't going nowhere. That's the best part about it. Everyone gets so pissed. I think that's why people really hate me is because they're like, this guy just doesn't go away. He doesn't go away, man. He just keeps coming back. He keeps growing. That's my favorite is when people on YouTube, when other YouTubers talk shit about me because they're like, Patrick Whelan sucks. He's the worst. But it's like all of them that talk, everybody who talks about me, they wish they were me. They want to be me, but they'll never be me, They'll never be me. Oh gosh, it's gonna crash back down now. I'm gonna basically wait to see what happens with this 919 here if we can get a break below there. But then it's like you got this 914 again. I'm not really loving this short idea here in general. We'll see. We'll just kind of sit back here and wait for something really to scream, hey, let's do it. Due to high volatility, it is more probable to make money in mini and micro futures than hold long cryptos. The big thing for me for crypto is my plan or my goal is, to invest a certain amount of money every month into crypto. The same amount of money that I would like go out and spend on a dinner. Let's say I go out and spend $1,000 at the strip club. Well, instead of going out to the strip club and spending $1,000, I'm going to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. That's my thought process here. I'm trying to limit my my expenditures and increase my investing. Goodbye, bye. All right, I gotta order dinner real quick. I'm gonna order some Popeyes. You guys like Popeyes? What you got? What's your go-to Popeyes meal? I'm always about that chicken tenders, Do a little 5-piece chicken tender dinner. Ooh, baby. Talk to me dirty. Get the bold barbecue sauce with the Cajun rice and one biscuit. Ooh, man. Don't tease me. Don't tease me with a good time. I actually got really mad the other day at the Uber driver because on Uber now how you can leave stuff at the door. Well, the Uber driver he like shows up and he's banging on my door and I'm like, dude, I'm in the middle of a trade. I'm yelling. I'm like, just leave it at the door, and he's still banging. I go out there. I was like, what the, what is wrong with you? And he's like, oh, my bad. I didn't know you were home. I'm like, what? What do you mean you didn't know I was home? What are you talking about? Weird. All right, so let's see what happens here. 920 area. We're looking for that break. We need some kind of break here. We're basically in the middle of just an area where I don't know. What do you think? Maybe we look at this like, okay, if this breaks above 923, maybe I get long for a push up here above 928 to the 930 area. I could do that. If we push above 923, I will look. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if I can put a limit here, a buy stop. Let me see. Okay, no, wait, is that right? No. I'm going to put a buy stop. So like we're literally, if this pushes up there, I'm going to buy 5 contracts. Right, with a stop loss, that'll put me right below 919. I like that. Right, that's pretty good. I like this trade. I'm into this trade. Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. I need to move this down a little bit lower. Yeah, right there. Right there. Look at that. I mean, that's money right there. That's money right there, My computer puts out so much heat whenever I live stream. I don't know why. It literally is, it's blowing smoke out right now. I gotta get a new computer or something. Wait, you put your stop at 934? No, you mean 924, right? I mean, the great thing about this, if this does fall, then I'm chilling either way. Do you think we're in a trending market, uptrending market? Yeah, I mean, I think the Fed has unlimited money. Wolf Street, I get it. We get your question. We see your question. God, this guy we just commented, 500 times there? Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry. We're putting Wolf Street in the timeout. What is he talking about? I'm not shorting. What is he talking about? I'm going long right now. I'm trying to go long above 922.75. What are my thoughts on Nikola? I haven't done much research on the Nikola deal lately. I apologize for that. I need to. I haven't really spent enough time recently focused on it. Market's going to ramp. We are currently trading the MES, Micro E Minis. I'm using Optimus Flow. Currently looking at the 5-minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart. You can see looking for a push here above this candle. The high on this candle is, what is it, 922.50. So we can get a push above this. We'll get into, I put a stop limit order to buy there at the 922.75, and then I'll look for a push up here into the 930s, possibly higher, really depending on how much more of these drinks I drink. So what do you base the trade on? I'm trading purely on price action. Support and resistance, overall price action. Oh yeah, baby, Popeyes is on the way. Let's go. The symbol is /MES. It's futures. We're trading futures. All right. I think people are confused. Currently, I am flat. Currently, I have no position. I have no position right now, right? So if we break, look at this. If we break above the 922.50 area, which is right now kind of showing as resistance on these three last candles there. If we break above that, I will get into a long position and I will look for a push up here to the 930 area. Now that's what I got going on. The reason that I'm not shorting here, someone's like, why don't you short here? The reason I'm not shorting here is because I just don't like it. I don't like the risk to reward. I don't like that there's this support area here at the 19s, and I don't like that, it's just not much in terms of resistance right above this. So maybe I short here, maybe I risk off as 922.75, but I just don't like it that the support is right there at the 19s. This was a much better short. Shorting here at the 927 area for a pullback to the 19s makes much more sense, right? Risk to reward. If this doesn't work out, if I don't get in long, that's totally fine. I'm not mad about it. That's just how this works, right? That's how this works. We got 500 people watching right now. Is that correct? Are there 500 people watching this live stream? What is up? Let's go. Hit that like button. We only got 61 people. We only got 61 likes. If you're watching this live stream right now, don't be afraid to hit that like button. It's free. And it helps me help you, I don't know why people are so like greedy with their likes. Like give me a like, people. Let's go. They want to see you make money. I already made money. I'm up $7.50 right now. Come on now. Look. Where's it at? I don't even know where it's at. $7.50. How is that well said? How is that well said? They want to see you make money before they like your video? What? How's that well said? I'm literally mind blown right now. It's not even, he didn't even say anything. How is that well said? What does that even mean? That's well said. What? Yeah, I made $7 so far, but I've made thousands of dollars from this live stream already. I'm making millions from this live stream right now. Come on. I'm broke. I put all my money into Bitcoin and it went down in price, okay? I can't afford to I can't afford anything anymore. This YouTube life ain't all it's cut out to be. Also, for anyone out there who thinks that For anyone out there that thinks that I day trade and do these live streams trying to make money, like it's not. I don't do it. I don't do this to make money. I just do this for fun. I'm just on here just having a good old time. I bought Bitcoin when it was $4,000, you know? I'm just putting it out there. I bought Bitcoin when it was $4,000 and it's almost it was close to $10,000 the other day. Like, get on my level, people. Let's go, you know? Let's go. Joshua, let's go. Everyone who wants to talk talk in the live stream. Don't talk. Just watch. Just watch. I heard you. You found Hex. I get it. I understand it. I understand it. I get it. Hex, cool. Oh, look, we're up. We're in the green. $12. Hey, everybody who talks shit, listen to my boy Joshua. Get on Joshua's level. You want to be a big baller? You want to come in here and talk about me not making enough money for you to like my video? Well, get on Joshua's level before you start coming up in here talking. Okay? Okay. I'm the only one on YouTube who does anything cool. All the other YouTuber day trading people, they want to be like me. I'm telling you guys. I've been doing this for 4 years now. 4 years. I've lost. Let me tell you one little stat that most people don't know about. I've lost more subscribers than most people have gained on YouTube. That's a fact. That is a fact. I literally have lost more subscribers than people who claim to be millionaire day traders on YouTube. You know? Like, what's up? Don't even come at me anymore. Don't. I tell people now, whenever they want to talk about me, don't talk about me until you've gained more subscribers than I've lost. You know? Let's go. Let's go. I got girls texting me right now trying to come over here. And I'm like, listen, I'm on YouTube and I'm live right now. I can't have girls be coming up over here talking to me and distracting me. Let's go. I'll tell you the biggest difference between me and everybody else on YouTube is I'm actually cool. I'm actually a cool person. All these other idiots on YouTube that are like day trading millionaires, they're not cool. Like, I would never want to hang out with them in real life. You know, I just would not want to. Me, on the other hand, I'm over here living the dream. Living a dream. Dream world. I have a fishing channel. It's just Patrick Whelan Fishing. It's not that cool. I haven't actually put much effort into it. The problem with the fishing channel is there's not enough money in fishing videos. So I'd rather just go out and have fun and fish and do my own thing. Hey, more girls in the videos, more everything. The problem is the girls might be watching right now. You got to be careful with what you say on YouTube. You got to be careful. I've learned that. The girls, they be creeping. The girls be watching the videos on YouTube. They be trying to learn about you. You're like, what? You did what? You watched my video on YouTube? No. So I'm drinking this beer called Bon Viv. It's a spiked seltzer, has 0 sugar. It's gluten-free. I'm not sponsored by them, but if they do want to sponsor me, I would love a sponsorship. I'll put your logo on the side of my boat. All I need to do is be paid in alcohol. Yeah, and we catch fish. None of that little bullshit fish either. We catch real fish, people. Real fish. Win tournaments. I got checks on the wall. Paid money. I got paid money to catch fish. Come on, let's go. You know what I'm excited for? Popeyes. Popeyes. Yes, Jonique, everything that I know, it's all in there. It's all in there. What's my biggest win? Well, I couldn't actually tell you about my biggest win because you don't want people to know how rich you are, because then you just make yourself a target. But let's just say I bought Bitcoin, I bought Litecoin. Here's a good example. I bought Litecoin when it was like $40 in 2017. And I sold Litecoin when it was over $400. And at one point, I had close to 300 Litecoin. So, yeah, you can check the videos. There's videos on my YouTube channel of me trading Litecoin and buying and selling and showing the sales. So, I don't really care. I don't care what anyone wants to say. Anyone who wants to say that I don't make any money, you can just. You know what's really funny is I spend more money fishing. This is like a real fact. I spend more money fishing than most YouTubers make. Like that's where I'm at, people. That's where I'm at. All right? It's all right. All right. All right, so we're looking for a push here, and let's see what happens. This 920 area now. Just trying to get a little upward momentum. It might be a little slow, kind of just bouncing around here. We're watching this. I mean, really, I could risk off this 19 area, to be perfectly honest with you guys. I'm probably going to do that. Just going to risk off 19 just because that's the low of the day so far. So give myself a little bit of room just so I don't get stopped out here or something stupid. And I'll probably add another. If we do touch down here the 920 a year again, I'll add another 5 contracts. Why not? You know, it's just money. It's just money. It's just money. Just money. Hey, I like that there's now 119 likes on this video. There's only 400 other people watching this video who aren't liking it. God, get on my, let's go. Let's go. Actually, y'all want to hear y'all want to hear about my love life? I met a girl. Oh yeah, she's a cutie. A little cutie patootie. Yeah, I'm a sucker for the cute ones. I'm definitely a sucker for the cuties. The problem is I got a boat, and it's just like, you know, you got the boat. Everybody wants to go on the boat. It's, yeah. You know, yeah. And I'm just so damn good looking. I wish I got a stimulus check. I didn't get any stimulus checks. I make too much fucking money. It's a scam. I want $1,200 so I can put $1,200 worth of gas in my boat. That would be my stimulus to the economy. Watch out for girls. All dudes. What? What's this guy talking about? Dudes? All girls are dudes? What? Hey, Ryan, maybe, possibly. On Telegram. Yeah, I mean, what? Do you talk to girls on Telegram? What? That's no. I don't know. That doesn't make any sense. You know what's funny is I get so many emails from people who are like, they'll email me like, hey, I talked to you on Telegram. I'm like, no, you didn't. There's so many people out there who like, it's not even that I'm like a popular person, but people try to use my identity to scam either like cryptocurrency projects. They'll be like, hey, I'll make a video on my YouTube channel for $1,000. And like literally these people are out there doing it. I get emails all the time from these companies who are like, hey, what's your wallet address? We want to send you the money. We talked to you on Telegram. I'm like, no, you didn't. You didn't talk to me, my friends, because first off, it costs a lot more money than $1,000 to get a promotion on my channel. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Joshua, what do I do outside of this? Normally go fishing, a lot of fishing, pretty big into fishing. It's South Florida, you know, life's good in South Florida. Yeah, Telegram's terrible. I don't know why anyone would use Telegram. It just makes no sense. Hey, Jameson, nice work on the micros today. I like it. No, I like to just talk. I'm just talking, just trying to keep myself occupied. The problem is if I'm not occupied, I just get bored and then I won't want to do this anymore. Did I get on this trade for the third touch on the diagonal line? No. I just got into it because you broke above that resistance and kind of live on YouTube. People just want to see me make a trade, I guess. I normally don't really trade. I wouldn't normally trade like right now, to be honest with you guys. Like it's 6 o'clock. What is it? 7:20. Normally I don't trade like this time of day. Still wake surfing? Oh yeah. Throw me a wake, baby. I'm ready. Let's go. Ooh. Getting some selling there again. 1950s coming up. Might be getting stopped out here, boys. Yeah. I'm just going to move his stop a little bit more down. I like it. I'm just going to add here to the 950s. I'm just here for entertainment, my friends. Entertainment. Trying to get some fills down here. We got 5 contracts. 1975. Here's a good advice for anyone who's watching this live stream right now. Do the opposite of me, clearly. Because, yeah, that's pretty much the best way to make money. Fuck. Just got stopped out of there quickly, huh? Are you popular? Nope. Have no friends. Well, that... Hey. It's hot in here. Damn it. That was not fun. Were you in at 7 a.m. this morning? Was I in at 7 a.m.? I think. Yeah, I was short. I got short this morning at the 918 area and rode it down there to 900, and then it went all the way down there to 890. Popeyes is here. Get ready, boys. The short. I know. Popeyes. Finger licking good. You know, I'm honestly like this whole like printer goes burr thing is messing with me mentally. It's really messing with me mentally. Now I feel like the market never goes lower, and I end up doing stupid things like going long at stupid areas just because I'm like mentally just like, oh, the market never goes lower. It's just gonna always go higher, right? The market's always gonna go higher. Mostly trading futures these days. I'd prefer to let it ride. Let it ride, baby. Look at this. Yeah. Let's see if I get a little bounce here off this support. Let's go. A little bounce. $50 bill. Oh, man, I'm making a mess. See a little bounce back up here. Currently long, I'm not put in here. I mean, at the end of the day, Jameson, you gotta like if you're making money, just make the money. Like you can't. The biggest issue you're gonna have is sitting there like thinking about like what you shouldn't do. I mean, I think a lot of people have that problem, you know, where you just like, if it works, you know. Wait for a bounce back. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, if you're making money, you're making money, Jameson. That's all you can do, my friend. If you guys never had Popeyes, you're missing out. I'm telling you right now. The Cajun chicken is lit. Lit. Freaking lit. Hey, Daryl, this Popeyes on you. This Popeyes is on you, my friend. Cheers. Dude, song playing. What is this guy doing? Literally, what is this guy doing? Get out of here. Then we'll get bounced to the 9. What are you thinking? What are we thinking here? 920 area? 919s again? Maybe 918. Alright, listen. 918. Oh man, come on. Push me up there, baby. Let's go. You know what I'm really good at? I feel like I'm really good at is like just finding reversals. Like little pops like this. Like this for the 914 area back over the 916. Like I can do that all day. But my problem, you know what my biggest issue is nowadays is I am always looking for the home run. I'm always like, I want a 30 handle move. And I end up getting just, you know, like these stupid trades where I'm like so obsessed with getting this maximum profit. I think that's probably my biggest issue right now. Luke, we don't play Minecraft here. We're not playing Minecraft. Oh man, come on. Yeah, so I trade equities, like mostly if I'm trading options, I trade options on Thinkorswim. We're gonna try to go 24 hours. We'll see. No promises. The membership's like $5 a month. It's kind of just like a thing of like helping a bro out, you know. There's no real like massive perks other than supporting the cause, you know. My cause, baby. My cause. A lot of times, Rolando, I end up just fishing like right off the pier. Not off the pier, but kind of like directly out from the pier. The Dania Pier. And like 170, 180, maybe 200 feet. Kind of drifting in. Drift in like 100 feet. What's up? Who is that? Learning to day trade. In the house. Been a hot minute for sure. Popeyes. Eating Popeyes. So normally after hours, I'll trade on like on a 5-minute chart, but then like during the market hours, I normally trade on a 2,000 tick chart. I think your bad trading is due to not using indicators. I mean, I don't think it's because of my indicators. All right, looking for this push. Let's go, baby. Let's go 919s, 919s, 919s. It gets so hot in this room whenever I'm live streaming. Oh, fucking hot. I gotta turn the air down or something. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you know what my problem is, especially with futures, is like with the EMA. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I don't want to buy this because it's so far from the EMA, and then I watch this amazing move happen, like we're just like going up, and I don't buy it because it's far away from the EMAs, and then it pulls back to the EMAs and then it crashes down. So it's like, I don't know, it's hit or miss. The indicators that I use are very just like, I don't base like everything off of those indicators. You know, they're lagging at the end of the day. You know, like they're not going to tell me, is this going to go higher or is this going to go lower from here? Like it's just not going to tell me that. I'm gonna be live for pretty much as long. I'm 3 beers into it. We've been live now for 22 hours. Or wait, 2 hours. We've been live for 2 hours. I drank 3 beers. I've ate some Popeyes. Now, yeah, we'll just see how long I can last. Maybe drink some more beers, drink some more Popeyes, eat some more Popeyes. Beer better than Red Bull? Oh yeah. Why do I think the market keeps going higher even though the world's ending? Because literally, the U.S., the Fed, I mean, they're literally just printing and printing, you know, nonstop. Like it's just, yeah. They have unlimited. The Fed has an unlimited amount of money to buy pretty much anything they want. Cheers to Surge. Surge, my boy. We are trading futures right now, Ramos. Smoky old fashioned. Nice. Yeah, no, I'm a seltzer water kind of guy. Is the market going to crash soon? Nope. Stocks only go up. Only go up, baby. And Trump will never lose the election. Come on now. That's like me saying that I'm going to become a millionaire tomorrow. I mean, that ain't going to happen. And there ain't no way that Trump's going to lose the election. Man, look at this shit. It's right now just like, where's the Fed at when we need them, you know? Like, turn the printer on. Turn the printer on. Let's go. Back up. Put a stop right below these candles here. Years. USN is going to will be the new currency? I didn't hear about all that. I'm using the 5-minute chart right now just for after hours. During the market hours, I normally use a 2,000 tick chart. V-chain price prediction for 2020, 0. It's going to 0. That's where it's going. 0. The Fed, China can't call in shit. There's a reason that the USA has the biggest and baddest military in the world, my friends. It's not because we want to defend ourselves. It's because we want everyone to know that, hey, listen, you want to come at us? We're going to destroy you. That's literally what it comes down to. There's a reason that every single country in the world values their currency off of the US dollar. It's because everybody is our little, I don't want to say the word, but you know what I'm getting at, you know? There ain't no country in the universe that can come at us. Yeah, China couldn't fight their ways out of a paper bag. Come on now. We'll send like 5 Delta Navy SEAL guys over to China and take them all out. One swift attack. It'll be over, you know? Let's be honest. You know? Let's be honest. There ain't nobody badder than the Delta Navy SEALs. Ain't nobody badder. One of those guys, you know? Come on now. The thing about America is we got cowboys, we had Indians. America literally it was just the frontier of the world, man. And it's still is the number one. Daniel Bravo, welcome to the party. Oh yeah, no, Jameson. That's why I'm buying Bitcoin, because I want to be ready. You know, I want to be ready. Europe and China, they build their own currency. That's fine. But at the end of the day, Bitcoin's always going to be the outlier. Everybody wants to own something that no banker, no country, nobody has control of. You got to understand, like, we're living in a new world now, people, where everybody wants to be free. And everybody, like, the dreams of the kids today, the dreams of, like, teenagers and going to college, like, their dream is to not be, astronauts. It's not to be like anything other than they want to literally buy a van. They want to live in the van. They want to like go to EDC and go to music festivals and do Molly and have Bitcoin. That's literally their dream. The people in this world are so confused because they don't know the future here. The future is literally a bunch of kids who don't want to go to work. They want to buy a minivan. They want to live in their minivan and they want to travel around the world and go to musical festivals. It's just, that's what it is. That's what it is. It will double bottom before it turns up again. Hey, it's okay. It happens. Where's the double bottom? All the way down here at 28.90? That seems like a far around. Are you talking about trading equities after hours, or are you talking about trading futures after hours? That's a big difference, my friend. Big difference there. 28.90 seems pretty low here. Oh yeah, I mean we're trading E-minis right now. We're trading the micro E-minis right now. So we're doing it. This is the tips. You're getting the tips right now, baby. I mean, nothing really changes from market hours to after hours with futures, other than, the volume is just a lot less. That's all it really comes down to. Ugh. I'm gonna be drunk pretty soon. I'm gonna be drunk pretty soon here on this old live stream. Don't you get tired trading during hours and after hours? Yeah, normally, like I said earlier, I don't normally trade after hours, but I was bored and I was like, man, it's been a while since I've had a live stream. I was like, it's been a while since I've talked to all my friends on YouTube. So that's why I'm live right now. And that's why we're trading, because people want to watch me lose money. So I'm trying to keep the viewerships up. I need the viewer to stay up there. I'm not muted. You're muted. I can hear everything. Can you all hear me? You can hear me, right? I think I can see the audio going through there. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum. Come on, let's go. Oh, what time? Asian markets open at 9, right? 9 p.m. We're going to the moon, 9 p.m. Let's go. $24-hour trading all day, every day. Big action, big plans, big everything. I'm the $1 million man with a $1 million plan. Welcome to the number one day trading channel. God, people get so mad when I say that. It's the best. I literally just love saying that because people get so mad. You're not the #1 day trading channel. Well, I get it. Yeah, it's just funny for me to say it because it gets everyone all fired up. Am I gonna get stopped out of this right now? Come on now, let's go. Let's just go. Why don't you ever day trade BTC? I do day trade BTC sometimes, not all the time. It's mostly a long-term hold at this point. Currently, I am long here at the 914 area. Here, got 3 contracts, sold some up here at the 17s, and we've pulled back since then. So, looking to see if this previous resistance here, 912 area, turns into support, and we can start to trend higher from here. And I'll look to add some more contracts if we can, push up here a little bit. Show me that the buyers are still rocking and rolling. Have I ever been to India? I've never been to India, actually. Been to a lot of places, but never to India. How do I feel about gold? If you go ahead and rewind this live stream, I've talked about gold a bunch. Are you fading or trading pullback currently? Trading, right? Is that the way you say it? Trading? We got some support here. We had some support here at the 14 area. A little dip below there. This volume, problem with this really low volume sometimes is you just get these little bit more of a pullback through support than you're expecting. But this thing definitely looking like she wants to continue. Looking like she wants to continue lower here until we see something pop. We're getting tight. You can definitely see these 5-minute candles are getting tighter here. Looking like we're get a little reversal here. I want this 15-minute candle to close above this 914 area. Get this close above 914 would be a bullish shine. How did I make sure that I'm always constantly improving your trading? I'm not. I'm just getting worse by the day, I swear. I feel like I'm just getting badder. I'm getting badder at trading. Worse at trading. Maybe I'm fighting the trend. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. We'll just see what happens here. Huh? Head, shoulders, head and shoulders. Let's see if we get a little pop back up here, 917 here, one more time. No comment. DRW, no comment. Why do I not use any tickers or indicators? I've used every indicator there is, man. Every indicator. I've used everything. I've used every indicator. I've done everything possible. I've been doing this for 4 years now. Not that that's a lot of time, but yeah, think about it. I've been trading like literally every day for the last 4 years, and I've tried everything. I've done every possible indicator, everything, and none of it works. It's all just bullshit. You know? I don't really need trend lines. I mean, I'm not that like I'm I feel like people that need to draw trend lines like just can't figure it out. Like, okay, I see clearly. Look at this, we're trending lower there. But I mean, you know, like, do I really need to draw a trend line here to see the trend? Look at this though. If you look on the 15-minute chart, ooh, looking like bam. So maybe we get a pullback a little bit lower here, or maybe this is the bottom. $1 million question. Yeah, normally it's just, I don't do this all the time. Guy Parker. It's not really. Yes, I'm using support and resistance. We bought at a support area, and we're looking to sell at a resistance area. I mean, you guys can critique my trading all you want. You can do it. I mean, literally everybody can critique it all you want. But at the end of the day, you can also see my broker statement from last month, trading futures. I mean, it's up to you guys. You know? You guys can sit here and give me tips all you want, or you can just see my broker statements. I mean, it's very, very simple. I'm not claiming to be some type of end all be all. Trust me, like it's, you know, it is what it is here. Let's just go. Hey, Jameson in the house, making that money. Let's go. You guys are trying to learn. I'm trying to learn as well. We're all in this together. Trust me. I don't claim to know anything more than anyone else. I'm just out here living the dream, baby. How much money have I made? Millions. Millions of dollars. Dollars and millions. Millions of doll hairs. I do trade after market open. What? Huh? I do trade after market open. What's the guy talking about? Have I ever used Footprint? Nope, never used it. I think you quit learning, if I can be honest here. Yeah. You know what I have been learning, Stormzy? Is how to make more money. Because I got more money than I've ever had in my entire life, so I don't know. I don't know when I stopped learning, but I mean, I learned how to put more money in the bank. That's what I've been learning. Zed, you want some fishing lessons, huh? Some people are just born with it, you know? I'm a natural fish killing machine. Fish killing machine here, people. Girls just want to have fun. No, honestly, I don't make any, I barely make any money from the day trading courses. Day trading course. How about that? I made more money last month from day trading futures than I did from selling a course. It's $299, people. Like, come on now. Like, really? You think I'm becoming a millionaire selling a $299 course? No, I'm not. There's a reason that everybody else's course costs thousands of dollars. Can you speak a different language? Poquito, español, cerveza, very pollo, pesca, stuff like that. I got very poquito español. Very poquito. How did I learn how to day trade? Literally, I learned how to day trade watching YouTube. Like 100%. Do you make most of your money from day trading or other businesses? Yeah, I make most of my money from just like a combination of things. Definitely not from day trading alone. But also, I don't want to day trade. Like I don't want to day trade every day. Like that was never my goal. When I first started day trading, it was not to be like, oh, I want to be a day trader. It was just like I want to make money, like on the side and stuff. It wasn't like I want to be a professional day trader. It was literally just like I want to, make some extra money. Looking for his break over 17 there. 917. Yeah, maybe Ross Cameron can teach me how to day trade. Yeah, day trading sucks. Honestly, I've been sitting here. I've been sitting in my house since 6 a.m. day trading. It's terrible. I hate this. But nobody will watch my YouTube videos if I make videos about crocheting or something else. They all just want to get rich. Everyone just wants to get rich, become millionaires tomorrow, Teach me how to get rich. It's all YouTube is anymore. Everyone just wants to get rich. Look at this. Where's everybody's? Where's all the shorters at? Come on. God. Where'd it go to? Like, rewind the tape. Rewind the tape. Rewind the tape. $1 million today. Well, shit. Why don't you donate like $10,000 to me? I mean, that would only be the fair thing to do. Can I send you buy signals for BTC to your Instagram? No charge, and you can make over 100% a year with little effort. That just seems like it sounds like a lot of effort, actually. They're coming after my stop loss. No, they ain't gonna have it. They ain't taking my stop loss. Australia, New Zealand open at 8 p.m. How are we looking in Australia over there? Are we looking good right now? Are we going higher? Hey, good luck. Thank you. No luck needed. Only. I've asked 3 times now. Shitty setup. What do you do? Right now I'm about to get stopped out. Oh my gosh, they're coming for my stop loss. Normally I wouldn't trade it, but I'm live on YouTube, so it's more fun to trade it, It's gonna flatten it right there just to get out for break even. I don't like it. I don't like it. Kier, I've invested $100 in trading. Do you think I can make a sufficient amount more? Maybe. Maybe. What am I watching for tomorrow? Well, tomorrow I'm watching the S&P 500 and hoping that the S&P 500 either goes up or down. Man. Do you trade crude futures? Nope. Are you drinking White Claw? No, it's different. It's called this, Bon Viv. It's amazing, actually. Market is in downtrend. Everybody's in a downtrend, huh? Okay, whatever. Let's try it out. Let's just short the downtrend. Brian Ross wants to grab a beer in Miami. Possibly. As long as you promise to not murder me. It's the only thing I'm worried about. Hey, everyone gonna be hating on what I'm drinking now. It's like, at the end of the day, I'm the one drinking it. I'm the one who has to enjoy it. You know? Yeah, hit me up, Brian. Hit me up on Instagram. It's at Patrick Wieland on Instagram. Right now I'm short, just because everyone told me to get short. The market's going down, they said. I'm far from normal, that's for sure. We're currently trading futures, MES, the micro E-minis. Looking for a break below 912 here. Maybe get down to the 900s. We looking for 900s? 900s? Play with a stop at the, we'll just say 920 area. I'm using optimusfutures.com. Optimusfutures.com. Where all your Optimus futures are fun. Hit me up on Instagram if you want to follow along for all that fun stuff. I just put the, it's pretty much just my name on Instagram, just Patrick Whelan. I'm currently trading the E-minis, the micro E-minis, MES. Oh, I'm definitely going to get belligerent. That's guaranteed. Still short. We are still short. Currently short. Short 6 contracts. The SPX is the overall index. The SPY is an ETF. The SPY is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. right? An ETF or an ETN? Is a SPY an ETF or an ETN? Anybody? What's the SPY is an I think it's an ETN. ETN or ETF? It's one of those. Looking for I'm gonna hold this thing. We're looking for 900s. Let's just go for 900s tonight. If this momentum stays up here and we just keep continuing lower, see where the Asians market happen at. Trading for 24 hours. Let's go. Let's go. Rock and roll, baby. No, the SPY is an ETF. Yeah, there we go. Have I come across spread spikes? Yes. You'll sometimes see like literally they'll be like just you'll have like a 6 or I've seen like literally 4 or 5 tick spreads sometimes, and like there's just no volume anywhere, like no buyers, no sellers. It's really weird. What do I think about TTNP? Don't think we're only trading futures tonight. No stocks, no penny stocks, no stocks in general, just futures, pure futures. Yeah, I don't trade stocks anymore. I trade options on stocks, but I don't really trade. I definitely don't trade. I haven't traded penny stocks, like small cap stocks, in months. Sorry to burst anyone's bubble that isn't happy about that. Some people were mad about it, but I'm just like, I gotta do what I gotta do, you know. Oh. Ugh. This stuff tastes really bad sometimes. Could someone realistically day trade the U.S., European, and Asian stock markets at 24 hours? Yes. Well, there's like an hour period between what is it? Between 4:30. Yeah. What is it? Is it 4? No, 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. The market is closed basically. Well, futures are closed. Why don't you trade large cap stocks? I don't trade large cap stocks just because I don't know. I rather trade the options. I've been trading options a lot more than actually trading equities. Don't go too short. Whoops. I already went too short. I'm already too short, man. I already did it. I already went too short. Hey, #1 day trading channel right here. Wesley, you always got to have a stop loss, my friend. Stop loss. Just put what I normally do now with if I'm trading like futures, I'll just put a stop loss, like even if it's far away from like where the price is, just that way, like if something bad happens, like if the Wi-Fi stops working or anything like that, like if something bad just happens in general, at least I know like I'm limited, you know, like I'm not gonna lose everything. You know what I mean? Uh-oh. I might have some bad news, people. It's not that I ignore your message. I get a lot of messages. Yeah, don't forget to remove your stop loss when you exit out of the platform. Am I a millionaire? No. Definitely not a millionaire. I wish. I could be a millionaire if all of you guys gave me like $1,000 or like maybe $10 a month. If I had 100,000 people paying me $10 a month for YouTube subscription, I would have so much money. I don't know why we can't do this. I know it sounds bad, but like, why can everybody not just donate $10 a month so that I can live a life of a millionaire, you know? Come on, guys. Yeah, I taught everyone a good lesson. Always close your orders, open orders. Nine, 12, 9, 12, 9, 12. Getting touched here. 9, 12, 9, 12, 9, 12. Looking for a break below 9, 12 here. Let's go. Let's just break it. Let's just break it down. I'm up $50 right now on this position. Got 6 contracts. Looking for a break below 9, 12 here. Let's go, 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 let's, come on. Come on. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I was just being sarcastic. I'm a pretty sarcastic person. Like, the fridge thing was like a joke. I'm not really a millionaire. Kind of. I'm like a millionaire. I live the life of a millionaire. I just don't have the money like a millionaire. I took a little bit of profit there. I still got 4 contracts left. Take a little bit more here at 9, 10. That's a 5 handle move. Not bad. Got 2 contracts left currently. My nose is like peeling. I've been out fishing too much. Normally I try to limit my losses to like 3 to 4 handles. 3 to 4 handles for my losses, and then, you know, for my winners, I need to be making like 6 to 10 handles per win. And it's hard. It's definitely hard because like today when I was trading, I was long here. I took profit in here because I was like, man, this thing is just stuck. I jumped in again, took a little profit, and, you know, this thing it just kept going. I took profit here and it went to, what, 38. So that's another 10 handles that I just was like, I didn't want to buy. Because if you look at the 15-minute chart, look at the 15-minute chart here. It was just like, it just was nonstop. I bought here at the 15s, and we just, look, it just kept going and going and going. I mean, there was literally never a red candle on the 15-minute chart. It was just nonstop. And I was like, are you kidding me? Because the thing is, like, I'm selling here at the 28s, but I'm also like, I don't want to buy again. You know, I don't want to buy again there. So, I don't know. It's hard sometimes. Really hard with the whole risk to reward. At the end of the day, I think the biggest key here, the secret to it all, is you got to have that loss. You know, you got to be able to take the loss. You got to be able to be like, hey, five handles, I'm taking it. You know, you got to be okay with that. You gotta be okay with that. Under 910. Let's go. I got another beer. I need another beer. Hold on. I'm coming back. Oh, God. I think I'm already wasted. I changed it up for everybody out there who was hating on my seltzer waters. I'm now drinking a Stella Artois, which is even better. It's seltzer water. It's how much alcohol is in a Stella? How do I figure out how much alcohol is in this thing? How much alcohol is in a beer? 5%. These have 4.5. I mean, it's pretty much a beer. I drive Uber Eats. My biggest $1 million is when I see a cute girl picking the delivery. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, why is everyone? That's what I hate about. What I love about guys. Guys always be like, oh yeah, I drink whiskey. I drink whiskey straight up. I'm straight up whiskey kind of guy, and I'm like, oh cool, dude. I have never met a girl in my life who was like, oh dude, I only date guys who drink straight up whiskey. The girls, I mean, it's like this thing where guys think that they're like showing off because they drink straight whiskey, but it's like, you're not cool because you drink straight whiskey. Nobody cares. You're not James Bond. You're not that cool. Like, so stop pretending. We all know that straight whiskey does not taste good. Let's be honest. I've drank every possible alcohol there is in the world, and I know that none of it tastes good. It's none of it is like, oh, I really want to drink some whiskey when I'm thirsty. No one says that. So, say what you want. But at the end of the day, we all know the truth here. Miles Torres. This is not on repeat. This is live, baby. This is what day is it? Monday? May 11th. Bitcoin halving just happened. Bitcoin to the moon. Bitcoin to 1 million. Let's go. Jameson, bring your little bartender ass on down here. We'll go on the boat. I'll bring some ladies. I'll tell them that I got a professional bartender coming on the boat to make a little mixologist. Little mix. What are you going to make for the ladies, Come on. Whitney, she drinks whiskey. I mean, whatever floats your boat. I just can't do it. I'm not into the whole straight up whiskey on the rocks. I need something little nicer. I'm not like a huge drinker. I don't drink a lot either. I'm just drinking right now because I'm on a YouTube live stream. No rocks and a good whiskey. There we go, Thomas. Am I in for the long haul on Bitcoin? I bought Bitcoin in March. I made a video on YouTube. I bought Bitcoin and Litecoin in March when everything crashed, and I'm just holding. I'm at the point now in my life where I don't need that money. Like if Bitcoin goes to $50,000 tomorrow, I might take a little bit of profit. But in general, I don't need that money. I'm at a point now where I can I don't need any more money because I got too much of it. So now I'm just like investing long term, kind of like the idea of like I'm all about investing to hedge myself. That's how I'm investing now. I'm investing in Bitcoin because I'm hedging myself on inflation. If the dollar bill, if the spending power and all that, inflation goes up, we have hyperinflation. Well, at least I'm protecting myself with Bitcoin. I put 10, 20% of my net worth into Bitcoin. And then I put, I got other stuff going on as well. So that's the way I look at it. I'm a trader, baby, all day. Hey, talk about the pineapple. I like it. Pineapple on the cocktail, boy. Do I dive? I'm terrible. I don't dive. I'm a good swimmer, but my ears, I just can't dive deep. Can't do it. So basically, you married the paper, Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin's digital, so there's no paper. Pablo wants $100. Okay. No problem. Send me your Bitcoin address. I got you. JK. Here we go, boys. Here we go. 109. Let's go. 910. Let's break it. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Under 910. 119. What got me into futures? Honestly, I started trading futures because I just got so tired of trading crappy penny stocks. and getting hit with some stupid news or some stupid, just stupid stuff. I got tired of dealing with having to find shorts and all that. Now it's like I trade the same exact symbol every single day. I don't have to worry about locates. I don't have to worry about PDT. I don't have to worry about anything. I basically just trade the action. I don't have to worry about finding what stock is hot. I don't have to worry about getting a halt. I don't have to worry about any of the crap that comes with day trading small cap stocks. That's why I trade futures. It's a win. It is honestly, if you don't have $25,000 and you're not a big time player and you can't get the short locates, if you're a small time account, there is no reason for you to trade anything other than futures. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care what any YouTuber tells you. There's a reason that YouTubers don't want you to trade futures. There's a reason that Ross Cameron does not want you to trade futures. It's because he wants you in his chat room pumping the stocks that he's buying. Ross Cameron can't move futures. He can't move the stock market. He can only move, very illiquid stocks with low floats. I'm telling you right now, I'm telling you exactly why these guys don't trade futures. I'm telling you. Why is it that no one talks about futures on YouTube? It's not because it's hard, It's not. It's literally because they don't want you to trade futures. What about Ricky Gutierrez? Ricky Gutierrez is the biggest little punk-ass, bitch-ass kid in the world. Ricky's so full of everything from top to bottom. It's insane. That kid is literally so full of it that it's just mind-blowing. The things that I've seen him talk about with like UGAS and DGAS and gases in general, like that kid is on another level. I don't know if he like is like maybe like he's mentally handicapped, but he's literally on that level where I'm kind of like wondering like maybe he's just not that smart. Maybe Ricky's just not that smart, Jameson, what do you mean you shorted while I was talking? You told me not to go short. You literally told me not to go short, and now Jameson has made $450 telling me not to go short while he's over here making all this money. What is happening around here? What is happening around here? What is happening around here? Ricky does not show profits. You're so full of it, Jordan. You have no idea what you're talking about. Ricky literally does not show anything. Ricky has never done what I have done. Ricky has never done that. Ricky has never, ever shown a broker's statement. Ever. He's never done it. I am the only, what other people have done too. Ricky has never done what I have done. Never. He's literally never done what I've done. Literally. 100%. Everybody's always like, no, he did not. He showed an account, but has he ever shown a month of broker statements? Never. Never. And the pay-per-view between me and Ricky would not be a pay-per-view fight. It would be a 1-2 hit knockout. I'm telling you right now. God, it's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing how many people are so if you believe that Ricky is doing it, if you guys really believe that, then you're literally a sheep. You're just I'm just telling you right now. If you think that Ricky is actually doing what he's telling you he's doing, you are a full-on just sheep. I don't need to try to fight Ricky. Ricky's a little child. Ricky's a boy. Ricky I don't think his balls have dropped. Have you seen that kid's voice? The kid hasn't touched a girl with a 10-foot pole if he tried. Come on. Let's go. Taking my $50 profit right there. God. Cosmic, you're not successful. You're so full of shit. You're not. You're not successful. Anybody who says they're successful trading UGAS and DGAS is so full of shit. You're not successful. You're not. How much money do you make trading UGAS and DGAS? You're not successful. I'm telling you right now, you're not. He doesn't trade. Oh, I can't deal it anymore. I can't deal with it anymore. I'm telling you right now, I have been to Wall Street. I've been to the New York Stock Exchange. I have literally drank beers. I have met with some of the biggest traders on the New York Stock Exchange. I've talked to floor brokers who are moving millions of shares every single day. And they all laughed at the idea that anybody out there has ever promoted the idea of day trading UGAs and DGAs based off of what is it? Off of gas in general. It's insane. No, you did it. No, you did it. If you made $250,000 trading UGAs and DGAs and you're in my live stream right now, you're an idiot. What are you doing here? Literally, I'm missing out on money right now. I can't. Look at this move down to the 905 now. There's my 10 handle move I wanted. Y'all got me all hyped up here. Ross Cameron. Ross Cameron's amazing. I love Ross Cameron. We all know what Ross Cameron does. Ross Cameron has a chat room. He trades e-liquid stocks. You know? It's easy. We know what he does. I respect him for it, you know? I respect him. I'm looking for a little pop back up here. I don't want to get too short too quick here. As I just shorted. But that's what people don't get is what this whole day trading thing, it's for fun. I do this for fun. You know, I'm just out here having fun. I'm telling you right now. Y'all want to know the truth about everything? If whoever your guru is, if they're on YouTube and they're claiming that they make hundreds of thousands of dollars day trading, well, then simply they just have no life, you know, that they would want to spend time YouTubing. YouTube is so much work. If you make $100,000 a month day trading, why would you spend any effort, any time making YouTube videos, teaching people how to day trade? That makes no sense. I don't make hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's why I have to use YouTube to make money, because I'm also it's fun, and I need money, and I'm just trying to become famous on YouTube. My investing club, I already talked about them earlier. Those guys, they're doing their own thing. I respect them for that. I got no comments. I got no comments about anybody. Everybody's doing their own thing. Whatever. It's all good. I don't care. I love Ross Cameron. Honestly, I think Ross Cameron's, if I could be Ross Cameron, I'd be Ross Cameron. I wouldn't want to look like him, but I would take all the money that he makes. I would love to make millions of dollars having a chat room. That would be great for me. That kid, Umar, whatever his name is, he's so full of it. They're all just full of it. I'm telling you right now. I want you guys to go. I want you to go and I want you to link me. I want you to link me to any other YouTuber who has actually shown a day by day, a month of statements. Nobody. They don't do it. Everyone's like, oh, Steven Ducks does. Steven Ducks is so full of it. They're also full of it. It's all just insanity. If you're a successful day trader who's making hundreds of thousands of dollars, why would you waste your time on YouTube? Why? It just makes no sense. It makes no sense. Bro, you're so salty because all the money in the world couldn't buy you a beautiful woman. Clearly, you don't follow my Instagram because clearly you don't know what I'm doing. What do I do full time? I do this. I'm YouTubing full time. Oh gosh, we've got a Ricky fanboy in the house. Tyler Long. Tyler, let me know how Ricky's nuts taste. Because you got to get him out of your mouth, man. You got to get him out of there. Cosmic, it's not, though. No big... Oh, I just can't. Sometimes people just need to learn, you know? They just need to learn the hard way. Because they're not going to learn the easy way. What about trading? I trade. What do you... I don't get... Are you a muffin? I'm trading right now. What are you talking about? People get upset when you talk about their heroes, okay? When you talk about people's heroes, they get upset. You know? That's all it comes down to. Little boys have heroes that... I don't have any heroes. My only hero in this world is myself. You know, I'm looking at myself 10 years from now. If you don't know what that's from, well, then you clearly don't know much. But in general, it's an old saying. Jason Bond pays my rent. Let's just put it that way. Let's go 90. Let's go 900. 900. 900. Come on. Where's the Warren Buffett's at? I need to know. Where are we going? What's the plan? What's his name? Thomas. Is it Tomas, right? Tomas has been pretty spot on. I'm nobody's hero. I gotta make another Instagram story. This is getting good. We're four beers deep here. I'm short right now. I'm short. Oh God, it's going up. Oh, I'm trying to put an Instagram story up. Hey, somebody. Hey, help me out, people. I need your guys' help. I need your guys' help. No, Jordan. You guys want to know the story about the whole Guru Links thing? All right, I'll tell you this story. Y'all ready for this? Because everybody got this so miscombobulated. Everybody like really did this. That no one has a brain anymore. That's the problem. Literally. No one has a brain. Like, literally. I'm going to tell you all the story here. Like, get ready for this. This is going to be good. This is the first time I've talked about it. This is literally going to be on TMZ later. You know? Like, get ready for this. All right. So, I started dating this girl. All right? I started dating this girl. And pretty much, like, right away, she just, like, moved in with me. You guys saw the video of it, right? You guys saw the video of the girl, the blonde. I don't need to say names. But... we were dating for like 6 months. I had some other girls on the side. I'll be honest, like I screwed up. I might have been a little promiscuous. You know, it's hard when you're this good looking. And I'm not trying to like make a joke out of it. And I'm not like deep down, I'm not a bad person. You know, I'm not about like cheating and stuff like that. But there were some Instagram messages that might have been a little promiscuous and stuff like that. Whatever. So that shit got out of hand, and she ended up calling me out, you know. She's like, hey, she got all pissed. I woke up it was like 4 o'clock in the morning. 4 o'clock in the morning, and I wake up to this girl screaming at me. And I'm like, what is happening right now? What? It's literally 4 in the morning, and you're screaming right now. And, yeah, we got in trouble. I kicked her out. I said, hey, you gotta go. I can't wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning getting screamed at. So you gotta move out. You gotta get out of my house. You gotta go. And that's what happens. You know, when you have your own house, you can do that thing. So kicked her out of the house. Well, then she got all butthurt and she went on she went on Twitter and started like posting these screenshots of me talking to these other girls on Instagram. And like, so one of the girls, I sent money for her birthday. I sent her some Venmo. I sent her $300 on Venmo for her birthday. Because I was like, hey, it's your birthday. Here, go buy something sick, you know? $300. I wiped my ass with $300. That's why I sent $300. So this girl goes on Twitter and starts posting all these screenshots of my conversations with people, you know? So I was just like, what? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? You know? What do you want from me? And she wasn't a hooker. I went to her family's Christmas, you know? Like, I stayed at her family's house for Christmas. Come on. We all know if you got a hooker that's taking you home for Christmas, then that might not be a hooker. Yeah, might be your girlfriend at that point. So let's be honest here. No, I wipe my ass with $300 bills, not $100 bills. Paid for what? I didn't pay for anything. I mean, I'm not denying the fact that any of it went down. I'm just denying the fact that this girl tried to come at me. This girl tried to take me down? You're trying to take me down? The #1 day trade channel on YouTube? You don't come at me. You don't come at me. I spend more money in commissions than you make an entire month, woman. Don't be coming at me. Oh, I had one time, I swear to God, one time I had a girl that told me she tried to blackmail me. This girl, she had a picture of my, my private area. And I swear to God, this girl, she wanted $10,000. She wanted $10,000 or she was going to release the photos online. And I told her, I was like, listen, if you release those photos online, it's going to be the best story ever. And I'm going to be so excited to post a video about it. So please release those photos. And then she wanted $1,000. Once she figured out that I wouldn't give her $10,000, she wanted $1,000. And I still told her, you need to post them. Yeah. Paper trading accounts don't have commissions. True that. Do stop losses work at night? For futures, they do. Not for some other stuff. For equities. All right, what's up? Are we gonna turn down here? Or am I just adding into this short? Just where are we going with this? What's the plan? Where's all the Warren Buffetts at? Come on, let's go. Give me some good ideas here. Hey, somebody. All right, listen. I need some help here. I gotta promote the live stream. Somebody, whoever's watching this, put up a story or a Instagram story. Put up an Instagram story of you watching the live stream. Come on, let's go. I need some repost. How short are you willing to go? I'm just going I'll just keep adding until we go to the moon. I don't even care. Trailing stops. Tag me on Instagram. Come on, let's get a story. Let's get some support going for the gram. Oh gosh, Tyler's back. You know how I know Tyler likes Ricky's nuts in his mouth? Because he just keeps coming back. Even when he's not wanted, he just keeps coming back. My stop's going to be this kind of 912 area. I can't even like delete him. That's how bad it is right now. The problem is going to be that the more I drink, the more I'm going to want to go have some fun somewhere else. Not on YouTube, if you know what I mean. I've been looking at houses. I've been looking at some places in Bali. I'm going to Bali for like a month. I've got these 2 lesbian girls. Oh, man. They're little cutie pies. They're going to come down there with me. It's going to be a great time. Just spend a month in Bali on the beach in a little mansion. Have my little private chef. My plan is to go on like a really serious diet and start working out and stuff for like a month while I'm in Bali, and then come back to America just looking all jacked. I pay 20 cents per contract, but I'm special, you know. What I pay is not what most people is gonna pay, so. Let's go. Buddy Reefer in the house. Going to Bali. I definitely I don't know. I think we're gonna pull back, right? Aren't there 1 million BTC? No, there's gonna be 21 million BTC. I might have to cut this live stream short. I don't know if I can go for 24 hours. Kyle with the shout out. What's up? What's up? All right, so currently I'm short here. Have I gone spearfishing? Yes. I'm currently short right now on the micro E-minis with a stop here, kind of at the 910, 911 area. We'll see if we can get a pullback. I like to see this 900 area. I just feel like that 900, you know, I just, when you got a feeling, when you have a feeling, people, you just gotta let the feeling take control, you know, and that's what we're doing right now. We're looking for this 900 area from the 907. We'll get a break below 904 here, and let's hit 900. Damn, buddy's gonna wipe my ass for me. Okay, I'm in. Let's go. I need this to hit 900 sooner than later because I've got places to be. I got things to do, people to see. I mean, at this point, you guys might as well just give me free money. Let's go. Let's do it. 904 below. 904 below. Hey. Ayo. 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 Every time I cover my short, every time I take profit, I'm just like, pour another one out for the haters, you know? Just pour another one out for the haters. God. Kyle's on. That's $3 now. I'm up to $33 in revenue from this, from the tips here. If anybody else wants to hit me with the tip, let me know. Just the tip only, you know. Don't let Kyle be the only person having fun around here. I got an expensive lifestyle to live up to, you know. Hey, get to work, Daryl. Get to work. Let's go. Back to work, everybody. Back to work. No more Corona. Let's just go back to work. Patience. 900 coming in. Don't call the Fed. What? This guy. No. What? Yeah. What? Hey, Kyle, he knows that money's worthless because the Fed just prints more. He's got the printer working over there as well. Yeah. What it do? Just the tip, $99. My boy, let's go. Few more beers, I'll be getting a lot more tips. You know what I mean? Hey, everybody needs to bow down. Just go ahead. Everybody just bow down to the man himself, Kyle the man. Let's go. That right, that $99, that's that's going to the bank right there, boys. I'm going to buy $99 worth of Bitcoin, and that $99 one day is going to be worth like $100,000. Fucking legend. I'm going to put Kyle's face on my profile pic on YouTube from now on. Hey, Nick, just because I wipe my ass with $300 doesn't mean I can't get excited for $99 tip. That's the most, I've been on YouTube for 4 years. I never got a $99 tip, so go screw yourself. I love when people are like, yeah, Patrick, he's definitely broke because he gets excited about making profits. He makes like $100 in profits trading, and he gets excited. Like, no shit, people. I'm on YouTube for a reason. I gotta get excited. Nobody wants to watch a YouTube stream of me not being excited. You know, like, come on, come on. Get out of here with your little bullshit. God. You know what I want to do? I want to meet every single person. Every single person who's ever commented some stupid shit on YouTube. I want to meet him in real life. I want to punch him in the face. I want to punch him in the face. I mean, it's awesome that this guy, Kyle over here, you know, just a totally different person. You know, I never met this guy before. And this guy goes out of his way to do something cool like that. So you can hate on it. You can hate on the fact that I got excited, but it's like, I mean, hey, Buddy Reefer, it's all about the love, baby. Dan, don't worry, you can rewind the live stream later. I'm gonna have you know what I'm gonna do pretty soon? I'm gonna have a charity boxing match. I'm gonna have a charity boxing match, and I'm gonna allow every single hater in the world to come and have one round with me. I'm gonna beat their ass, but it's gonna be for charity, all right? Every single hater has to pay like $1,000 or for charity to get one round with me. Come on, let's go. Let's raise some money for the people. You ain't got no speed like this. We're still looking for that 900 area. Pot legal in Florida? No, I don't think so. I haven't heard. I think medical marijuana is legal, right?
Just the tip, $99. My boy. Let's go. A few more beers, I'll be getting a lot more tips. You know what I mean?
What time is Asia market opens in in 6 minutes, right? Asia market opens in 6 minutes. Confirm, right? Hey, Jameson, support the cause, my friend. Hey, you made like $500 tonight. You just paid for for 5 years of subscription. Come on now. I'm pretty sure Asian markets open at 9, right? Did they already open or did they? I thought they opened at 9. Australia market open at 8, right? Jesse Pinkman from Breaking Bad. Cool. Yes, I'm short currently. I'm short from the 908 area, looking for that 900. It's currently up $55 on these last 4 contracts, and we are green on the night. Everybody wants to hate on me, but hey, it's easier. Let's all just be friends, like it's just so much fucking easier. Why are you gonna come at me for? I'm the one guy that you want to be friends with, That's what it just blows my mind. It just blows my mind. I'm literally the coolest person you'll ever meet in your entire life. Like 100%. I don't care who you're going to meet. I'm the coolest person you'll ever meet in your entire life. And you don't want to be friends with me? You want to be a hater on YouTube? Like, what does that do for you? Sky's the limit. CNS. Let's go. 903. 902. 902. 902. 902. 903. I'm not going to lie. I got a girl right now. She just told me she's taking a shower. Winky face. I'm not sure exactly what that means, but I have a feeling I know what that means. As much as I like you guys, I'm kind of interested in seeing what happens after this text message. But I am going to wait. I'm going to wait at least till 9 o'clock to see if we can break below this 903 area. If the Asian markets can sell off some. Give me a little volatility. A little volatility, my friends. It's the name of the game. The game is the name. The name is the game. Little bounce back there from the 903 now. I'm using Optimus Flow, optimusfutures.com. If you want to know which broker I'm using, you want to use a platform, yeah, there he goes. Hey, Dopehead's getting some skin from his wife tonight. There we go. There we go. Buddy, come on. That's just inappropriate. I'm going to take another 2 contracts, see if I can get it here. 904, popping up there. How long you trade? In general or in like right now? Like in life or just in general? I might get stopped out here, 907.50, just to get out of this. Still ending the day up nice and green, but let's see. Let's see if we can get this break here. Can you repeat it? What? Optimus flow? Optimus futures? I've literally, every time I live stream, I have to literally say the same thing over a million times. Come on, I want to get covered a little bit. I'd love to get like 903. I'll take 903. The MES is shortable on every platform. Yes, that's the whole point of futures, baby. Let's go. Come on. We got a minute here till the Asian market's open. I think there's more members somewhere. There's like 200, 300 members of the channel. Why don't you trade Forex? I've never really got into Forex. Forex is a lot more like a European thing. A lot of I guess people trade it in America, but a lot of Americans don't trade Forex. I don't know why. It just is like more of a European thing, honestly. Here we go. Asian markets opening. Opening. 9 o'clock Eastern here. Come on, let me get that sell, baby. Come to Papa. Let me get that sell. Take a little bit there at 904.50 just so I can lock some profit down here. Still got 2 contracts left, looking for that break below 903 here. You made more money than I did tonight, Jameson. You're up here making $400,000, $700,000 tonight. And the guy wants a cut. He wants a cut of my small profits. What? What? Are you going to trade penny stocks again? Probably not. Hey, the great thing about this world green lawn is everybody can have an opinion, you know? It's a free world. Yeah, we're finding a little bit of support. So I'm putting my stop here at the 906 from that 908 entry, 908.50. So basically, we'll get out for a 2-handle win either way here. So, you know. Really, no volatility right now. Yeah, Forex is a big money play. The banks move the market around. I mean, if you're trading Forex, you're just along for the ride. I mean, I guess we're all just along for the ride, but I don't know. Everyone I've ever talked to about Forex, like even like, you know, experienced long time traders, they're all like the same thing. And I said Forex is just like way too I don't know. They're just way too manipulated and just hard to trade. But I guess the stock market is also manipulated. So either way, you're just screwed. Trading in general is just it's a loser. It's a, what do you call it? A negative sum. Everybody's losing either way. Am I trading in the morning? Oh, probably, yeah. What is the ideal cash to start trading MES? Some brokers allow you to start an account with $500. You can start trading one contract at a time. I mean, really, I think $400 is like the minimum for most brokers. What's $400? But $400 is really such a low amount to be able to trade, you know? Why do I have 2? Oh, yeah, I have 2 stuff. Here we go. I mean, this is like the whole thing about the whole paper trading thing was just bullshit because like if it's like if I was really trying to like pull one over on everybody, if I was really trying to pull one over, like why would I not just trade with like fucking 100,000 shares and make $1 million a day? Like literally, I was still trading real trades in and out. Like the whole thing was still there. The information was there. And everybody can talk shit all they want, but it's like it's at the end of the day, it's all the same shit. Do I trade real money now? Yes. Everyone's seen my broker statements. If you haven't seen my broker statements, you can just fuck off. But I mean, it's just like mind-blowing. It's just mind-blowing on how many people want to ride my nuts. I know my nuts are nice, but shit. It's like a bunch of full-grown men always trying to ride my nuts. Like, get out of there. Get off my nuts. All right, I'm done. I'm out of here. Just locked it down. We're up $100 on the day. On the night. We're up $100 on the night. We were down $150. We're back up $100. That's how we do it, boys and girls. All while drinking beers and talking with my best friends on YouTube. You guys are my only friends in life. There we go. All right. Again, I want to say a big thank you to Kyle for his gracious, very gracious little donation there. That's badass. It's true. I made more money with the chat than I did with the trading. I never denied that. I mean, I've never denied what my whole goal of YouTube was. I never denied that. And people always like come at me because they think that I'm like trying to deny the fact that I started a YouTube channel to get rich. I mean, I started day trading to get rich. I started a YouTube channel to get rich. You know, everything I do in life is to make money. So it is what it is. I honestly have to go though. I got this little cutie. She's expecting me to come to her house. Come on, you can't hate me for that. You know? You can't hate me for that. You just can't hate me for that. You gotta appreciate. Hey, it's been fun. It actually has been a lot of fun. I'm sorry we're not going to 24 hours. I promise you we're going to go 24 hours one day. We made it 3.5 hours. That's pretty damn good. But we are going to make it 24 hours one day. I just got to get to a point where I just lock myself down and I lock every door. I get rid of my phone and I just do it. So we're going to do it at some point. Tonight was a lot of fun. I want to thank everybody who tuned in, everybody who watched. Definitely Jameson getting it done tonight. Kyle and all the boys. Buddy Reefer. Everybody out there. I want to make it very clear to everybody who watches the streams, everybody who supports the channel, you guys are always going to be the MVPs here. I'm just here for fun. This is honestly just something that I do for fun. And I want to just say a big thank you to everybody out there who does support it and it's fun. The haters alone. I mean, the haters, whatever. I know I get off on little tangents sometimes, but it's all just in good spirit. You know, I like everybody. I want to be friends with everybody. So, no, I don't want to be friends with everybody. Let's be honest. Like, there's definitely people in this world that I do not want to be friends with. But in general, I do appreciate everybody out there. So, a big, big, big thank you to everybody. So, I love you. I love you guys. I definitely love you guys. We're going to close it out right now at $108 in profit today. So, tonight. And then $139 in chat revenue. That's not bad. Not bad. I want to thank everybody out there. Again.